Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to power carve a comfort bird. And it happens to be made out of deer antler. Yeah, deer antler. Actually, elk antler. It's a piece that I've had on hand for quite some time, and I was really fortunate because it's a very dense piece of antler, not very porous at all, and that makes a big difference when it comes to carving. So you're going to see me taking a rough piece of antler, as you can see here. I'm going to first cut a few chunks out with my bandsaw, although I had a little bit of technical difficulty with the bandsaw. So I finished it off with the hacksaw, as you can see me doing here, but I got it roughed out, of course, with the saws. And then I'm using my power carving tool, the Strong 202, to do all of the rough out, all of the carving. And at the end, I will use it to do a little bit of sanding, but then you're going to see me doing a little bit of hand sanding as well. And I'll finish the sanding with my micro mesh cloths. And if you've ever used that on hardwood or material like antler, it really produces a beautiful glossy look. And so that's what you got here. And I hope that you will join with me. And let's get started. hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I sure did have a great time making this little comfort bird, and I'm so glad how it turned out. If you don't have antler, you can always do this with hardwood. If you don't have a power carving tool, you could also do it with a knife. There's plenty of videos on how to do this with a knife. But I really had a good time, and I hope you did too. You saw in the video I used the cut saw burr, and the only challenge with that is it does leave quite a few marks that you've got to sand out. So it took a little while to sand it and get it really smooth. I normally don't like my carvings to have a glossy look, but because this was a comfort bird and you want it to fit smoothly in the hand, that just getting it as smooth as possible works out really well. And that would also apply if you use some kind of hardwood. So anyway, I hope you enjoy it. And I love the bird. I love the idea of the comfort bird because it reminds me of my faith and how God not only cares for the littlest of creatures, but he cares for us too. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please consider subscribing and liking the video. We'll see you in the next video.